So let's start. Hi, my name is Jian Gao, who is a graduate student in mechanical engineering at Florida State University, and I'm working as a research assistant in Cryolab at the National High Magnetic Field Laboratory. So I really want to apply what I have learned into the real world. So I'm applying for a job opportunity in the field of mechanical engineering. I'm a person who is working with passion and creativity. People who are familiar with me say I'm very easy to work with. For example, in summer 2013, I supervised an undergraduate student who is Barry on visualization experiment in helium gas. So I taught him all the basic experiment skills. And we had a wonderful summer program. And after that, we became good friends, and we still keep in touch. Also, I'm good at team worker. Like in an experiment, it's almost impossible for one person to get everything done. So there are several graduate students in our group. We share our facilities and cooperate with each other. We normally gather together and discuss and share our opinions. And that's how we work on science, actually. Another thing I want to mention is my strong attention to detail. The recent issue in my experiment is one of the pulsar laser system does not work very well, mainly because it's too old and we don't have enough grant to ask somebody else, ask the laser engineer to replace it or to repair it. So I have to read the manual and try to fix the laser system by myself in order to run my experiment or take any data, right? So I read the manual and open the laser box and check it inside. So I realized that there's a tiny damaged spot on the surface of the laser rod, and I replaced the laser rod with our existing one. So I put everything back, turn on the laser system. The behavior of the laser system becomes much better than before, but we still have issue. So with trials and errors, I tried many times. Finally, the laser, I can stabilize the output of the laser power, which is very great. This situation, I learned from this situation. What I learned from this situation is I overcame this difficult situation. Then the second thing is I learned how to repair the old laser system by reading the manual, and it's a very nice experience. Okay, so for my academic background, I received my bachelor degree in engineering mechanics from Hohai University in China. After 2012, I joined the Cryolab and worked as a research assistant. So during this period of time, almost 2.5 years, I worked as a teaching assistant in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Florida State University. In summer, as I mentioned earlier, in summer 2013, I worked as a supervisor for the IU program, summer program. In the summer program, we observed the ionization breakdown in helium gas. So nobody has ever observed such a phenomenon in the past. This is the first time people can directly observe such a phenomenon, which is very great, very nice. And then last summer, I had a great opportunity to work for the Beam Energy company. They want to lead to a power generation at a lower cost more efficient and cleaner for the environment. So my work is to design the coolant channel plate for the hydrogen fuel cell system. Then the coolant channel plate is a key part for the fuel system, and also the heating issue is a big problem for the hydrogen fuel system. I don't know whether you know or not. So this, and but by using the computational fluid dynamics simulation, we can determine the temperature and pressure distribution on the surface of the coolant channel plate, and we machine the coolant channel plate I designed and assembled the fuel system. Then the measured results agree very well with my simulation work. This is fantastic. Actually, they are working on machining the hydrogen fuel system and plan to sell to customers right now. Okay. Then the last thing I want to talk about is my recent job. Maybe you're not familiar with my research. Also, now but simply speaking, my research can help people design a better cooling system that uses helium as a coolant. So my research involves a strong background of fluid dynamics, heat transfer, convection, operating all kinds of instruments, as I mentioned in my resume, like all kinds of laser systems, intensified CCD camera, and all the cryogenic facilities, and so on. So this is a complicated project, and also I'm very good at finite element analysis. By using the FEA method, I studied the configuration of bubbles in liquid helium on a high magnetic field. The simulation work shows that it's impossible for the bubble to locate at the center of the cylindrical magnetic field. All of them will move towards the surface of the magnetic wall. The simulation work agrees very well with the experiment observations. So, which suggests my FEA simulation work did a good job, actually. So, I'm not only proficient in simulation work like computational fluid dynamics, finite element analysis, but also I'm skilled at operating all kinds of instruments and cryogenic facilities. So I have strong ability on operating all kinds of instruments or facilities. I think my knowledge and my hands-on abilities, or my skills and my interests, will make a great contribution to a job position. So to end my self-introduction, I would like to show some images in which you can see my passion for my work and my life. Thank you so much. I'm ready.